y'all, welcome back to my channel. So let's just get right into the look. This bonnet that I have on, this satin bonnet, yes, it's a bonnet. It ties around so that your bonnet doesn't come off and run away in the middle of the night. And I don't remember the name of it right now, but I will definitely put it on the screen. It was sent to me and I appreciate them because this is a bonnet that I've never had before. And these earrings, they are actually from Hawaii. They were a gift. So I'm just gonna be going in with my white Louise base that I always use. So today I'm going to be using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to be using this blue shade right here. And then I'm going to be using the Matte Black palette. I'm going to be using the orange out of here and the white, I think. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. I did a lot off camera because my device was acting crazy, so I had to film a lot of things off camera. You can obviously take a look and see what I did. I put on some lashes, I put orange in the inner corner, and I used some of this glitter right here at the top of the crease. And I did my full face off camera because I pretty much do the same thing and I use almost the exact same product every makeup video. So there's like so many makeup tutorials on my channel right now where I do the full face and I tell you exactly what products I use, so you could go watch those. But it's getting pretty redundant for me to keep saying I'm using this and I use the same exact thing. Like, it would be different if I use like a different foundation and different concealers in every video, but I pretty much go for the same products, which is a shame because I have so many makeup products and I do need to like I do need to rotate them, but I don't, because when I see that something is working really good for me, I like to stick to it. And I could do the same thing over and over again for years. Like, I don't buy makeup like that. The only thing that I rebuy is like setting sprays and setting powder, and I really love brushes, so I be buying brushes and lashes. And other than that, I don't really be buying foundations and concealers like that, like, or bronzers or highlighters because I use like the minimal makeup on my face. I don't use like a whole ton of makeup in one makeup look, so I don't go through makeup a lot like that. So yes, y'all, this concludes the makeup look. I'm feeling like an African princess or something, but again, I will put the name of the company that sent me this satin bonnet on the screen. I'm trying to see what looks better. Does it look better like this, or does it look better like I'm out of Coming to America? Like I look like I was in that movie Coming to America. I think this is how like they wear it, but I don't know. This is the first time that I'm seeing something like this on my head, so it looks kind of weird, but I feel like listen, put me in Coming to America, like, you know, that's what I look like right now, you know what I'm saying? But this is a very different bonnet. I appreciate them for offering to send it to me, and I just freestyled the makeup look off of the colors of the bonnet, and yeah, this is what I got here. So again, thank you for watching, and God bless you and your family. I pray protection over you. I hope that you're doing well, and if you're not, call on the name of Jesus, call on God, the God of Israel, to help you out of that. Ask him to show himself to you in your life, because God speaks to us in many different ways in our individual lives. So that's why you cannot compare the way that God speaks to someone else. You cannot compare. Do not do that. That is the trick of the enemy, and the devil will use that. He'll make you feel like you're not doing enough. He'll make you feel like, oh, I didn't do this, that's why God didn't talk to me, that's why God didn't answer me. No, you ask God to show you how he talks to you, and you ask God to confirm what he says to you with clarity and revelation knowledge, and ask him to confirm what he says to you through his word, so that it cannot be distorted by the devil. Also, you can send me a prayer request on my Instagram. My Instagram name is going to be at the end of the video, but it's pretty much the same thing as my YouTube name, Ari MUA, except there's an underscore between Ari underscore MUA. You can send me a prayer request, or you could just talk. I mean, that's what I'm here for. I know the Lord has me here to do a little bit of counseling, you know. So yes, thank you again for watching, and God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but I do have an eyebrow tutorial that I just did. It's gonna be up before this video, so it should be up while you're watching this one, and I did a very detailed eyebrow tutorial. So that's the last thing. All right, bye.